At Nicola Wealth, we feel that we have a responsibility to build sustainably. We also have a responsibility to do it in a way where investors want to invest in these projects and want to see the next one. We're very proud that our Maple Meadows Phase 4 building is Canada's first net zero self-storage building under CAGBC's accreditation. A net zero building is defined as a building that produces as much renewable energy sources on site as it requires to operate. There's a few ways that this building got to be net zero. The key improvements to the building are primarily in the HVAC and lighting systems, with us fully electrifying the HVAC system and automating the lighting system. We've also added a solar grid onto the roof that consists of 294 solar panels producing 147 kilowatts of energy. When we looked at this building, one of the key factors of every decision we made was how much does it cost for the upgrades and what is the return on cost for those upgrades. The net operational savings was going to be about $55,000 a year in energy costs. That was an increase of $1.1 million into the valuation of the building. Maple Meadows proved that we can build a sustainable net zero building and still provide a solid return on investment for our clients. Our hope is that we can take a lot of the lessons we learn on this project and repeat them across the portfolio. We are also looking at our existing assets and future projects in multifamily and industrial to see how we can incorporate these lessons into those projects as well.